again.
I'll get loaded.
No, hold on.
Look, now we match.
She's gonna be on Zoom.
Tick tock.
She's gonna be on Zoom.
Yeah, whoa. Yeah, whoa.
What the hell? She come alive at night? 12:30, she comes alive?
Judy! I got a thing. It's called a freaking snippet. And I'm really mad because when I got them, they were really expensive. And when Kevin got one, they were really cheap. And I'm really mad. There's this girl in my class, her name's Judy, and she's really pretty.
Christine DeBlood.
Here.
So, Christine.
Why are you touching my
I'm trying to push you away.
Look, let me think.
You smoked pot, didn't you?
No, I didn't.
You did something.
Oh, hold on. Thank you.
I got one. I got one. I got one. Dad, who am I? Brittany, Emily, come back. I'm not done.
Thank
I'm
you.
not done. Come videotape me again.
Yeah.
I'm not done yet. Videotape me again. No, Dad. No, come on. You have to. This one's going on YouTube. No, Dad. Let's go, Emily. You have to put this on YouTube now.
Alright, who am I?
All right, Dad.
Mitchell.
Christine, I'm mad at you.
Emily.
Christine, we're best friends again.
Yeah, sure.
Christine, I'm mad at you. Christine, I'm mad at you. No, I was doing Sam, not you.
Oh.
You go whack that ball head like that again, I hate it.
All right, who am I?
Oh. There's a can of one.
Who are you?
Can't open, I can't
Hang
find
on.
one.
Here you go.
Wait a minute, I think I got one. Okay.
I came to accept my body.
Yo, walk.
I'm glad you guys see I'm changing.
Walk, look at this.
Oh, no, it's not.
Cutie. I ain't kidding, look at it.
I need my Doritos.
No, I ain't kidding you.
Let me see.
Get out of
I
there,
like
yo.
shot.
I want to see it.
Look at the spin over there.
Okay.
It's a nice tip.
How about? How about?
I'm glad you guys didn't see that.
See it?
No.
There's a
What are you gonna do, Sam? Hit me?
Awesome.
Carl, you want me to
pin
hit you?
nose here.
What are you gonna do, Sam? Hit me?
Oh, yeah.
Boom!
Fire! It's popping like popcorn.
Boom!
Right there. See that?
You want me to hit you,
That's
Carly?
38 years old. All right, kid?
Makes you look old.
I ain't kid.
Don't
Oh,
hit me, Sam.
40 years
I'm
old.
going to my aunt.
Oh, there you go. Look at this.
What?
Too loud. I told you. That's it. Sit down. That's it. No, it's 12:42, Roger.
No, I'm gonna play my part.
No, that's the broken one. That's the broken one.